Hello everyone and welcome to Magic Autocad. Today we are going to study scaling. Okay, we are going to see how we can scale our drawing. And in today's tutorial we are going to study three things in scaling. So the first thing will be on how to increase the size of your drawing alongside the dimensions. Okay, then the second thing will be on how to increase the size of your drawing while the dimension remain the same, unchangeable. And the third thing will be on how to reduce the size of your drawing while the dimensions reduce the same. So let's get started. So imagine you have these drawings are the measures one and the same dimension and they have a common size, okay, of 12 by 6. So what is the first thing you have to do? You first of all go to scale. Either you go to the command line and you type in scale. Okay, to use it here you see it, or you go up to modify and you see scale here, and then you click on it. Then click on the object, select the object you want to scale, then you press enter, then you specify a point. Okay, let's take this point as our initial point. Okay, then we have to double the size of our drawing. Let's double the size of the object. So you type in 2. Okay, so it's multiplied by 2. You type in 2, then you press enter. So you see that the size of our drawing has automatically doubled. Okay, as you can see from the dimensions here, from 12 to 24, and then here from 6 to 12, doubled. So in order to bring this dimension now to its initial state, this one to 12 and this one to 6, how do you do? Okay, we go to annotation, or you type in dim style. Let's go to annotation, drop down, and we take standard. Okay, over here let's take a new dimension. Okay, let's give a name to the new dimension. Let's just say ND, new dimension. Okay, continue. We continue. Then the first thing we want to do here is, let's go to the primary unit. You go to the primary unit up here, you click on primary unit, then you come down to scale factor. The scale factor here is 1, but what scale factor did we use? We used 2, okay, because we multiplied by 2. So in this case, as we multiplied by 2, in this case we are going to divide this scale factor by our own scale factor. So we divide 1 divided by 2. When you divide 1 by 2, you have 0.5. So you come in here in scale factor, you click in, then you type in 0.5, then okay, then here you close. Then now the dimensions remain the same. You click on the dimension, then you go to annotation, then you click on standard here. Okay, dimensions high, you click, then here you will see ND. Okay, the new dimension, then you click in ND. Then here you are going to have your dimension 12 by 6, 12 by 6, 12 by 6. Then now let's see how we can reduce the object and the dimension remain the same. We go to the scale, click on scale, select the object, enter, then specify the first point. Then since we are reduced, let's reduce it by 2. Okay, let's reduce the dimension by 2 equal parts. So we type in 0.5. Okay, 0.5, enter. Okay, so you will see that the object has been divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, because here it moved from 6 to 3, then from 12 to 6. So how do we keep the dimension standard? We go back to annotation, click on standard, then let's go to new. Okay, let's take the copy of nd, or we type in a new dimension, then continue, then we go to the scale, to the primary unit. You click on primary unit, then you go to scale factor. The scale factor, in this case, we are going to multiply. Since we reduce our dimension by 2, we are going to multiply it by 2. So if you multiply 1 by 2, you're going to have 2. So you type in 2, then you click OK, then you close. You come back here, you click on your dimension, then you go to annotation, you click on standard, then you see copy of nd, then you click in. Then what we have here is 12 by 6, 12 by 6, 12 by 6. So you're going to see that we have different sizes of objects and one and the same dimension. So I thought this tutorial helped you. Please don't forget to thumb up and subscribe. See you in our next tutorial. Thank you.